Every driver who passes the driving test knows these signs, and if you master these 40 road signs, passing is guaranteed. Alright, let's go. What sign is this? A. Stop English. B. Stop French. Correct. The stop sign English requires drivers to come to a complete stop. Identify this road sign. A. No waiting. B. No stopping. That's right. The no stopping sign prohibits stopping at any time. Guess this road sign. A. Traffic signal ahead. B. Standard traffic light. Good answer. The traffic signal ahead sign warns drivers that a traffic light is ahead. Identify this road sign. A. Parking. B. Parking permitted for 2 hours. Well done. The parking sign indicates a designated parking location. Guess this road sign. A. No U-turn. B. No turns. That's correct. The no U-turn sign prohibits making U-turns in the area. Which traffic sign is this? A. Yield sign ahead. B. Yield sign. Good thinking. The yield sign requires drivers to slow down and give the right of way. Guess this road sign. A. Do not enter. B. No straight through. Excellent. The do not enter sign prohibits entry into an area or roadway. Which traffic sign is this? A. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. B. Pedestrian crossing. Fantastic. The pedestrian crossing sign warns drivers to watch for pedestrians crossing. What is this traffic sign? A. T intersection. B. Turn left or right. Correct. The turn left or right sign requires drivers to turn left or right ahead. Guess this road sign. A. Maximum speed limit. B. Advisory speed tab. That's right. The maximum speed limit sign shows the highest legal speed allowed on a roadway. Guess this road sign. A. Narrow two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic. Good answer. The two-way traffic sign warns drivers that traffic moves in both directions. Which traffic sign is this? A. Railway crossing. B. Railroad crossing crossbuck. Well done. The railway crossing sign warns drivers of a railroad crossing ahead. What is this traffic sign? A. National network route. B. Truck route. That's correct. The truck route sign indicates a designated route for trucks. Guess this road sign. A. Stop Cree. B. Stop French. Good thinking. The stop sign requires drivers to come to a complete stop. Which traffic sign is this? A. No pedestrians. B. End of pedestrian zone. Excellent. The no pedestrians sign prohibits pedestrians from entering the area. Identify this road sign. A. Keep left of obstacle. B. Keep right. Fantastic. The keep right sign requires drivers to pass to the right of an obstacle. What is this traffic sign? A. School crossing. B. School zone. Correct. The school crossing sign warns drivers to watch for children crossing. Identify this road sign. A. Bike lane. B. Bicycle route marker. That's right. The bicycle route marker sign indicates a designated bicycle route. Guess this road sign. A. Stop French. B. Stop English. Good answer. The stop sign French requires drivers to come to a complete stop. Guess this road sign. A. Solo motorcycles prohibited. B. No bicycles. Well done. The no bicycles sign prohibits bicycles from using the roadway. What is this traffic sign? A. Left turn required. B. Right turn required. That's correct. The left turn required sign requires drivers to turn left. Identify this road sign. A. Must proceed straight only, turns prohibited. B. Do not proceed straight ahead. Good thinking. The do not proceed straight ahead sign prohibits driving straight through. Guess this road sign. A. No littering. B. Litter container. Excellent. The no littering sign prohibits throwing trash in the area. What is this traffic sign? A. School crosswalk ahead. B. School zone. Good answer. The school zone sign indicates an area where reduced speed limits apply. Which traffic sign is this? A. Bicycle parking. B. Bicycle parking directional. Correct. The bicycle parking sign indicates an area designated for bicycle parking. Identify this road sign. A. No right turn. B. No right turn on red. That's right. The no right turn on red sign prohibits turning right during a red signal. What is this traffic sign? A. Traffic calmed neighborhood. B. School zone. Good answer. The traffic calmed neighborhood sign indicates an area designed to slow traffic. Which traffic sign is this? A. Contraflow bus lane. B. Bus lane in Quebec. Well done. The bus lane sign indicates a lane reserved for buses in Quebec. Identify this road sign. A. End of road. B. Dead end. That's correct. The end of road sign indicates that the roadway ends ahead. Which traffic sign is this? A. Two-way bicycle lane. B. Shared path for pedestrians and cyclists. Good thinking. The shared path sign indicates a path used by both pedestrians and cyclists. Identify this road sign. A. One way. B. Straight through only. Excellent. The one-way sign indicates traffic is allowed in only one direction. What is this traffic sign? A. Left turn required. B. Right turn required. Good observation. The right turn required sign requires drivers to turn right. Which traffic sign is this? A. No passing zone. B. Motorists must not pass cyclists. Correct. The motorists must not pass cyclists sign prohibits passing cyclists. Identify this road sign. A. Keep left of obstacle. B. Keep left. That's right. The keep left of obstacle sign requires drivers to pass to the left of an obstacle. What is this traffic sign? A. Skier crossing. B. Snowmobile trail. Good answer. The snowmobile trail sign indicates a designated snowmobile route. Guess this road sign. A. Cyclists must dismount their bikes and walk. B. Bicycle parking. Well done. The dismount and walk sign requires cyclists to get off their bikes. Which traffic sign is this? A. Maximum speed limit. B. Advisory speed tab. That's correct. The advisory speed sign shows a recommended safe speed. Identify this road sign. A. Bike lane. B. Bicycle route marker. Good thinking. The bike lane sign indicates a lane reserved for bicycles. What is this traffic sign? A. End of road. B. Dead end. Excellent. The dead end sign warns drivers that the road does not continue. What is this traffic sign? A. One way. B. Must proceed straight only, turns prohibited. Good observation. The must proceed straight only sign prohibits turning left or right.